questions.
Okay.
One was, you said earlier, like, gasoline is considered as a bad smell. Is that, I was wondering if you could kind of explain that more, because I thought it was just like filth and stuff like that.
No, it's actually okay. So it's actually in the laws of saying Shema, right? It says Shulchan Aruch explained it in a part where it says about saying Shema, but it applies to Shmona Esrei and other things like also in the to the blessing. So one of the prohibition is when it's like fall odor. So what does it mean fall? Fall that most of the people find this smell offensive. Like they would not tolerate. Some people like the smell of gasoline. They this druggies like they smell and they go high from this. I mean that's that's what I remember from my childhood. We had in where I lived, they had people like that. They would smell it, right? So for them it was a pleasure, I guess, Gan Eden. But for most of the people, it's disgusting, right? So we go by opinion of the most of the people. So of course, from garbage, if garbage is rotten and stuff like that. So yeah, you're not allowed to pray there. What you have to do, you have to distance yourself from the to the point when this you no longer can smell. And from this, you have to distance yourself 4 amos. 4 amos approximately, 7.5 feet, 7.5, 8 feet approximately. And in meters, it's less than 2 meters, something like that, right? From the point when the smell stops, right? You have to distance, and you can say whatever. You can continue praying. Right? So all of the offensive smell that, according to majority of the people, not according to individual. Okay.